Hey! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids on this Sony. Firstly, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Following that, just install this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept in this pop-up. Then adjust your wallpaper however you want to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of those options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!